Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about WhatsApp and you will click. Then here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.